Tiber Island, Italian, Isola Tiberina, is a boat-shaped island in the Tiber River in Rome, Italy. It is one of the most fascinating places in the city due to its history, architecture, and cultural significance. The island is connected to the rest of Rome by two bridges, Ponte Cestio and Ponte Fabricio, the latter being the oldest original bridge in Rome, dating back to 62 BC. Historically, the island was associated with medicine and healing. It houses the Basilica of St. Bartholomew on the island, Basilica di San Bartolomeo all'Isola, which was founded at the end of the 10th century and is dedicated to Saint Bartholomew the Apostle. This church was built on the site of the ancient temple of Aesculapius, the Greek god of medicine and healing, emphasizing the island's long-standing connection with healthcare. The Fatebenefratelli Hospital, founded in the late 16th century, is also located on the island and continues the tradition of medical care. The island's association with healing dates back to a legend from 293 BC when a plague struck Rome, and a temple was built on the island to the god Aesculapius to combat the disease. Tiber Island has a charming and unique atmosphere, with its narrow streets and ancient buildings, making it a popular spot for both tourists and locals. It's a place where you can step back in time and enjoy a quieter side of Rome, away from the hustle and bustle of the city.